Name the gas essential for us to breathe. Oxygen. Name the layer which protects our Earth from harmful rays. Ozone. What is the nearest planet to the Sun? Mercury. In the list of planets, at what number our Earth is? Third. Name the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Each day, how much a queen bee eats to produce eggs? 80 times of her weight. How many bones are there in a human body? 206. How many teeth of adults have? 32. Name the hot metal layer of earth. Mantle. Name the inner layer of the earth core. How much water present on the earth? About 71%. Name the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter. H2SO4 is the chemical formula of which acid? Sulfuric acid. CO is the chemical formula of carbon dash oxide. Mono. What bees use to make honey? Nectar. Which element is liquid at the room temperature? Mercury. What is the atomic symbol of carbon? C. 100 degrees Celsius equal to 212 Fahrenheit. Name the species which can live on both water and land. Amphibians. True or false? The sound has faster speed than light. False. Light travels faster than sound. Name an insect which does not has red blood. Cockroach. Name the organ that pumps blood in the human body. Heart. How many values are in the heart of human body? 4. What is the what is not found in the shark? Bones. Name the most important element of the bomb. Uranium. What is the freezing point of water? 0 degree centigrade. Clouds are made up of what? Water. Leave a handful amount of coal at a very high temperature for a long time. What will you get? A diamond. How many years ago the Cretaceous period have ended? Approximately 65 million years. Nucleons are made up of neutrons and protons. A caterpillar grows up and changes into a butterfly. How many elements are there in the periodic table? 113. What is the other name? Other name deuterium. Heavy water. How many approximate days our moon takes to complete the orbit around the earth? 30 days. Name the green pigment in plants which is also helpful in absorbing sunlight. Chlorophyll. What is the name of liquid component of the human blood? Plasma. Which planet is not longer a planet? Pluto. All planet orbits around which object? The sun. How many components made up the human blood? 4. What is the name of the galaxy which contains our solar system? Milky Way.